Hello beloved, I want to thank you so much for coming back to my channel today. If today is your first time, I do want to welcome you. I want to thank you all so much for your love and support and coming by every week and checking me out. It's such a pleasure serving all of you. Should you have any questions at all, please do not be hesitant to leave them down below for me, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, I want to thank you for sharing my videos with friends and loved ones. I really appreciate all of you. So please stay tuned as we are going to take it step by step as usual. And I just want you all to know that I love you all so very much. Life without Jesus Christ is lifeless. I love you. Stay tuned. May God richly bless you. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.
On today's episode, we will be making my delicious chicken fried rice recipe. And here I'm going to go ahead and show you the simple ingredients which we will need for this recipe. If you are interested, please stay tuned and we'll take it step by step. So let's go right ahead and get into the ingredients. So here I have my steamed rice. I have my seasoned chicken. You need your oil. This is my minced garlic. I have some jalapeno peppers, green bell peppers, diced carrots. Here's my grated ginger, my salt to taste, seasoning. You can use whatever seasoning that you like, and my diced onions. I'm going to show you how I mix all the sauces for this wonderful fried rice. So if you are interested, please stay tuned and I'm going to show you how I mix it. So for the sauces, I'll be using the stir-fry sauce, the oyster flavor sauce, my Worcestershire flavor sauce, my regular soy sauce, and a teaspoon of grated ginger. So let me show you how I do that. And last but not least, I'm also going to use a little bit of oil to mix it all together. Please stay tuned as we mix it. I'm not going to measure the sauces. I'm just going to eyeball it. But if you want to measure, that is okay. You can do that. And all I'm doing is just simply mixing everything together. So what I'm going to use this sauce to do is I'm going to use it to flavor the rice when I'm kind of frying it a little bit on the stove, and also with the vegetables, and as we move on to making the fried rice. The first thing we are going to do is to start frying the chicken. So I have about 2 tablespoons of oil in the wok, and I'm going to pour the chicken in there. I will be adding about 3 tablespoons of my sauce mixture that I just made. Just to give my seasoned chicken a kick and a very nice flavor. So let's allow it to cook. We'll come back and check up on it. So the chicken is cooking beautifully and it's almost done. Please keep watching.
So it looks like our chicken is cooked. So let's scoop it out of the wok. So to give my rice a very nice chicken flavor, I'm just going to pour the steamed rice inside the chicken broth and then use it to fry it a little bit. That way, if your rice is kind of sticky, it can separate it. At this point, you can go ahead and then reduce your heat because everything is pretty much cooked. You just want the rice to be flavored, so you don't need a higher heat on this. I'm just going to go ahead and reduce my heat to a low heat. So I'll go ahead and add about 4 tablespoons of my sauces mixture to give it that beautiful brown look. Just simply mix it all in. So the next thing we are going to do now is to move on to stir fry our vegetables. Please continue watching. So the first thing we need now is to add a little bit of oil. I have about 3 tablespoons of oil in here. Because carrot is much more harder than onions and the rest of the ingredients, the carrot is going to go in first. So let's go ahead and stir fry the carrot. And just give it a simple stir. Once they get a little tender, then we can start frying the remaining ingredients. Now let's add about a tablespoon of oil. And the next ingredient will be the minced garlic. Let's give that a stir. And have it cook a little bit. Now we can add our onions. At the same time, I'll go ahead and add my grated ginger and have it all cooked together. So now I'll be adding my jalapenos, my chopped jalapenos, and then my diced green peppers. And this will be the best time to add your seasoning. And then your salt. Let's go ahead and mix all of that in. The point is this: you do not want all your vegetables to become soggy. You want them to become tender, but not soggy, okay? What I'm gonna do next is to add about 4 tablespoons of my mixed sauces. Stir that in and have it cook for about 3 minutes. And then we'll come back and add the chicken to the vegetables. Please keep watching. So at this point, we'll add our chicken. And let's stir fry that for about 3 minutes with the vegetables. And then we'll come and add our rice. It smells so good. Oh my God. Make sure you taste your sauteed vegetables to make sure that you have enough salt and the seasoning is okay for you.
Let's have it stir fry for about 2 minutes and then we'll come back and add the rice. Please keep watching. So at this point, we can start adding our rice. What I'll do is to give it a stir. That way, it can mix very nicely with the vegetables and the chicken. Add the remaining of your sauce. Isn't that beautiful? And it smells so great. I can tell you it's gonna taste very, very delicious. Okay, so let's cook it for about 5 minutes and then our wonderful fried rice will be ready. Please stay tuned as we do that. Hello beloved, I want to thank you so much for staying tuned and learning how to make this wonderful recipe. Our chicken fried rice is ready. May God richly bless you. Make sure you share it with your friends and family. And also give it a try and tell me all about it. Thank you so much for staying tuned once again. Chicken fried rice recipe. Until next time, may God richly bless you. And bye-bye for now.